Made good progress on integrating the case management into the web server and syncing that up with the microcontroller. So that was one of the big things that I had to get done yesterday. On the microcontroller side, we can switch over here and we can see here's the case view. So you'd be able to select different cases, and that's what would then be applied to all the disks that get run. And then jumping over to the web browser, and we can see that this case now indicates that it was selected because that's the one that we selected on the microcontroller. I can go ahead and select different cases here, and you'll see them change on the microcontroller in real time, which is super cool. So I can just go ahead and select it. It's then reflected on the microcontroller, and I can actually unselect it as well. Now there aren't any cases that are selected. The other thing is if I come into tools and I go ahead and let's say just quick add a tool. Now come over to my queue, I can see the list of tools that are queued up. That is also true on the microcontroller. Now I can see the queue menu. I've got my drive hashing tool. I can see it here. And what used to be just a start is now an assign case and start. So if I select this, since I didn't have a case selected, it will prompt me to then select a case, and I can go ahead and do that and then kick off the task. And now it will jump from pending tasks to running tasks. And the drive hasher is off to the races. And you can see that reflected in the microcontroller there as well. The other thing that I got added was a column for identifying the antenna or modem type for the Bluetooth scans. So when you scan for Bluetooth devices in the area, it will now record information on what type of antenna, whether it was USB or the internal. So you can go back and reference that to see this was run with the internal antenna that might have a smaller footprint or be able to receive a smaller footprint versus you have an external USB antenna that's a little bit larger and might do a better job of collecting that. Now all of that is stored in the database as well. Anyways, hope you all have a great day. I'll catch you next time.